Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to set custom ringtone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening the WhatsApp on your phone, guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and on this interface you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings. And on this interface, guys, you can see the notifications option available for us just below the chats. Tap on notifications and scroll down over here until you can find the ringtone option available for us just above the vibrate. Tap on the ringtone and you'll be on this interface. Now, in order to set a custom ringtone on WhatsApp, at the top of the screen you can see there is the on this device option available for us. Tap on there and all of the music which are available on your device will be over here. Now, in order to set the ringtone, just tap on it and that ringtone will be available or chosen on your WhatsApp as a ringtone. And let's go back, and with that being done, guys, you can see the ringtone has been changed where it says on this device at the top of the screen by the message which I have just chosen for a demo purpose. And with that being said, guys, this is how you can set a custom ringtone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.